Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on cropping your photos so that they will fit full screen on your Instagram story. We already made this tutorial a couple of years ago, which included using a third-party photo editor. But since then, Instagram has updated and made it a lot easier. So go to add a story like normal and choose the photo from your gallery. Now, with 2 fingers, you want to pinch and zoom. You can manipulate the aspect ratio of the image to your liking. Also, use your 2 fingers to pan across the image and select the best part. To be honest though, I still find that a bit awkward, and this is what I like to do instead. Just open up the gallery on your phone and choose the photo. I'm using Android here, but it's pretty similar for iPhone. Tap the button to edit the image and then choose Crop. Under the preset ratio options, choose 9:16. This is the same ratio as Instagram stories. You can drag the image around to get the perfect 9:16 shot. Now just save it as a new image and go back to Instagram to upload it to your story. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.